is Jackie Harrell, Pastor Boyd and Jan's daughter of C.O.O.L Ministries, and we are currently out here at the car wash. We are washing cars, and we have an event, an all-day event. We have music, we have food, we had a car show. And
right now, give me that microphone. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus, right now. Oh my Lord, I've been looking for these keys for 2 hours, and I do trust in God. We prayed, and I started to stop, and as soon as I started to stop, I received them in the name of Jesus. I love you, God. Thank you. C.O.O.L Ministry.
You helped set up the car wash, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, so
yes.
With Jackie about the car wash.
Well, Jackie, bless you. This ain't only Jackie, everybody. I don't know who all can see me or hear me, but this is Jackie Blue, not just Jackie Blue. And Jackie, what do you have to say about this whole deal from C.O.O.L? Oh, now Jackie's on the move. She's on the move. We're moving with Jackie, everybody. What a beautiful day in the name of the Lord. What a beautiful day. I don't know. I've been looking for keys for 2 hours, but I figured they'd done maybe 15.
excuse me, as you can tell.
Take the wheel. Take the wheel. Take the wheel. Jackie.
As you can tell, we never have a dull day at C.O.O.L Ministries, y'all.
So how many cars?
Oh, how many cars do you think that we have washed? So far, I don't know. We're getting more cars now, so I would say maybe about 10 or so, and we just got another person. We have 4 lined up right now. We're so glad that it ended up being a great day. No rain. And the windshields. Oh yes, we're doing windshield repairs.
We've done four cars, windshield repair. We're doing windshield repair. We got 40 years experience, all going to the ministries. Anybody come by, we'll be glad to help them. Thank you, everybody.
And I take the money and I put it here.
Take the money here.
Top shop, right? We're doing a great job. We're getting donations for people who just want to support the good cause and the fundraiser that we're doing for C.O.O.L Ministries. We also have a food drive to help the people who were affected by the Winter Storm Uri that we just had. And this will be an all-day event. We have a mural going on, some people painting all day. And we had the color guards here, right? Correct? And yeah, we have 2 people on cars now. We're getting super busy, so this is an awesome thing. Let's go. We're gonna travel. Wow. They're doing an amazing job. We have Mario over here and John Rector with the soft touch. It's the detail. The detail is what matters. We have a Honda. We did a Mustang. It's amazing work. We're taking our time. It's a good day to be out here. The water's draining. The bubbles are everywhere. Yes, of course it's environmentally friendly.
Who's your models out here?
Oh yeah, so we have models for Jesus. We have Tisha out here helping us with the sign for the car wash on the side of the street.
I have a smoke bomb. We should release one out.
Oh yeah, right. And our hello, what is your name?
My name is Lee Rumfolo. I'm out here. We're raising a little money for C.O.O.L Ministries. Christ over our lives. Yes, indeed. Come on out, 5005 West 34th.
There you go. So there you have it. We have our Miss Tish over there waving with the sign for the car wash. Doing an amazing job over there. Yes, a huge community, a family. We are a family.